It seems that for success in science and art, a dash of autism is essential.
That's true. Good morning.
Morning.
I love the way we roll. I love the way we roll. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'm loving every time we roll.
Good morning, minions. How's everybody doing today? I really had a bad morning. I had a huge asthma attack, couldn't breathe. I was coughing like...
You were gagging for air.
But I'm okay now, forget about it. Anyways, today's kind of a pretty busy day. Mom's gonna meet a friend on Zoe's and then we're going grocery shopping. I have to do my homework. I have to do work in the meantime though. Anyways, see ya.
Thursday morning. What Cayden was explaining to you is he had an asthma attack this morning. He woke up full on not breathing and gasping for air this morning. And asthma is scary. So we gave him his albuterol. He thought he was going to throw up, but he didn't because he was gasping for air. So we gave him albuterol, his inhaler, and he's okay. But I noticed he's still coughing from his cold last week. He's got the leftover coughing. So we're gonna, today, Ronnie got paid today, so we're gonna go get a little boost of Zicam and more not medication, but vitamins. We definitely need to stock up on our essential oils. We're kind of running out of our essential oils. Yeah, I'm going to Zoe's. If you don't know, Zoe's is a coffee house that our church owns. I'm going to go meet a friend over there because we're going to be talking about some ways to help in the social media communications department at the church, which I was more than happy to help out.
Good afternoon, everyone, and I am so ashamed of this actual day. Happy National Tell a Lie Day. Yes, it is the one day in the entire year where the United States has said it is okay to tell a lie. No, it's never okay, but I guess you could get away with it today. It is also Autism Awareness Month. You know, I was thinking about that today, and you know, when we found out Cayden had autism, and it was a little scary at first because you only know what pretty much Hollywood tells you, but he is the most amazing thing, and then you come to accept it, you know, and I'm so appreciative that so many of you have over the past couple years have embraced Cayden and loved Cayden and accept him for who he is, and we've learned meeting many other autistic children how amazing they are, and you know, just because they're socially different doesn't mean they're any less. If not, they could be more. So yeah, it's definitely, I appreciate you guys promoting acceptance for autism, and not that it's a bad thing, that it's just a different thing. And yeah, we're all challenged in different areas. They're just challenged sometimes a little more, and when they break through, they do. So yeah, I'm supposed to play softball tonight. I'm supposed to get a big storm in, and it's almost looking like that. So yeah, I don't know if I feel like a tennis ball doing a fire dance or not. I would love to play softball tonight, but we'll see. I have just got over being sore from the tournament, so I don't know. Yes, we are getting very close to WrestleMania weekend! My nose is still sunburned. Wow. Alright. Alright guys, sorry. I left my phone in the doggone truck. And anyways, I didn't realize until after. Gibby got the only time I didn't hit good, so here it is.
Nice rip, good boy, Ronnie.
Hey, there we go.
Ronnie. First game of the season.
YouTube's rolling out new policies. People are going psycho crazy right now. Some people under 1,000 subscribers can no longer go live on their cell phones. Some people are getting their challenges deleted. And I don't know if it has to do with challenges with children. If the children did a challenge, it was probably deleted. YouTube is now rolling out with some new policies and catching everybody off guard. It's kind of like your boss changing your whole job and you don't know what you're doing. Uh-oh. Sirens. It's kind kind of like your boss changing your job requirement and your job position without telling you, and you don't know what you're doing. So like, let's say you're in a semiconductor area. One area is welding, another department is human resources, another department is computers and tech, another department is electronics or electrical. You work in electrical, okay, and you've been doing that for 20 years, and then suddenly you come in one day and your boss goes, oh, you're working in technology today, and they sit you down at a computer and you have no idea what you're doing. They've never trained you, or they take away your job that you already have and just say you don't know what you're doing, so you're just gonna sit there and do nothing. It's like your boss telling you you're fired and you don't know why. I don't get it. YouTube is leaving a lot of the smaller channels out of the loop. They will not. YouTube will not explain why they're doing things, when they're doing things, and how they're doing things to anybody. They feel like, oh, it's my company and I'll do what I want when I want, and you guys are just gonna have to put up with it. And I feel like that is a huge fail on their part, not communicating what's happening. They just roll out all these new policies and rules without warning anybody. They start deleting whatever they want off of YouTube. It is their job. It is their company, and they can do whatever they want, but it's rude. It is really rude and unprofessional at that. Very unprofessional. And I feel that YouTube is going to lose a lot of people, unfortunately. We're going to stick around. We're going to stay here as long as we can. What are you doing?
Just playing.
Playing what?
Fortnite.
Why'd you say that so quietly? Fortnite.
It's what I usually do these days.
Yeah.
Oh crap. Oh crap. This is the penalties we won't have any.
So, how was your game?
We lost 10-9.
That's not a way to start a softball season.
Well, it's a brand new team. Multiple errors. Oh man, drop fly balls, guys hitting it in the air. Yeah, but hey, it was alright. We got smoked by 1 run.
As long as you're not smoking.
No.
I'm smoking a licorice right now. Come for me, YouTube. Am I being demonetized now for this?
You'll find out tomorrow.
I guess so.
You have no idea what they're going to come up with next. Wait, I think your feet smell.
Demonetize
Now,
the channel.
We're going to demonetize.
Smell-o-vision. That is an invention that I never want. But we want to say hello to all the new subscribers. We know that you cannot comment right at the moment. Thank you for subscribing. You're part of the hopeful family here on YouTube.
Hello, hello, hello to all our new family members. And I would love to tell you to leave it in the comments below, but you probably couldn't, so we can't say hi to you. But, more importantly,
Don't forget to favorite and share.
Did you have a good day?
Yep.
Love you guys so very much. Ciao.
see ya.
Licorice. Good stuff right there. And I look tired.